those who Waterloo, might as well Waterloo. Everyone to whoever you are, shit on level 2. You wanna go.
Alright guys, so today we actually have a Nike Dunk Low dropping. This is the Sail Camo, multi-camo colorway. Decent colorway, actually limited stock numbers as well, and I think this one actually might have some resale values, and we want to actually kind of practice our foot size runs. Ever since it got implemented with Qit, I have not tried as intensively as I should on the Qit drops, so we're gonna test it out here, and also at the same time we're gonna continue to gain more activities on our Nike sneaker accounts, and that's what we're doing here. Yeah, I'm very excited to see how we do today, and yeah, let's wait and see. All right, here we go. I think most of our things are in queue. Most of our tasks are in queue. We should be good to go. Let's see how we do. Foot size I cannot check out at all. There's a lot of GS checkouts, very little man checkouts, and I can't check out. Oh, let's go, we got one. Yes! Got a W here. We got 5 winnings here. That's amazing. Whew. Here we go. Processing. You got it. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Cool. Not bad, not bad. Good way to start. At least Shopify's working. Doing decent on Shopify, that's a good thing. We got around 250 entries in, so let's see how we did. Oh, we got one. Let's go. One winner here. Nice. Oh, 3. 2 winners. 1 winner here. Nice. It's 3. Alright guys, so today we have the most anticipated drop so far this year, other than Easy Day it seems. We're actually having the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 Low dropping. They had the highs I think a couple weeks ago, but never really came to fruition because it didn't drop on sneakers. There was only 40 pair of shoes in stock for Kith. First come first serve. Rest of it is all raffle, and then there was a whole debacle with raffle where some botters took a majority of them. Whether it be true or not, we don't know, but at the same time, I'm just glad we have a chance to actually cop the Travis Scott 1 Lows. So this is going to be our, I think, 5th attempt in Travis Scott's. We've been failing for a while now. Hopefully we can cop one today. The stock looks relatively healthy on sneakers, and let's hope we can do well. This is going to be very exciting. I already got the jittery feeling in my stomach. Every intense release, there's always that feeling. So I don't know how you guys feel about it before a release, but that's just the way it is for me. Very looking forward to it. Let's hope we can do well. All right, here we go. Let's get ready. This is going to be exciting. Friday the 13th. Let's get it. Here we go. Waiting. Still waiting. Where's the drop? There we go. Oh, come on, capture. Where is it? Where's the capture? Oh, that's way too slow. I'm not getting it. That's way too slow. I'm probably not gonna get it. Oh! 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 Oh, shit! Let's go! Oh my god! I thought I wasn't gonna get it. Dude! Oh lord, I thought I wasn't gonna get it. Yeah! Oh, praise Jason, praise the whole freaking Wrath development team, man. Holy shit! Sorry for cursing, but this is goddamn awesome. Alright, today is the Jordan 1 Pollen drop. This one is the black and yellow colorway. Somehow the shoe market has not been doing well, so the price is not doing too hot, but it's got decent profit on it. I definitely want to test a little bit more on the Qit drop that Footsize has been implementing. It is a little challenging to kind of navigate because sometimes you got to start a task a little early. Some of them with Resi Proxies, you got to manage the data. There's a lot of different solvers you need to open up, and cookies on Kylan you might need to generate. So I'm still learning my way around it just because I haven't really truly tested out a Footsize drop yet. So let's go over this and see how we do. Yeah, I don't know. I think I may have started some of my tasks a little too late because a lot of them are stuck on solving recaptures, and some of them waiting in queue. So I don't know how that's going to be honest. We're also running on Nike. Kind of hope we can redeem ourselves from yesterday's debacle on Nike. Yeah, let's hope we can redeem ourselves on sneakers. I don't know. Seems like it already dropped. There you go. Let's go. Wow, shoe pals already dropped. Okay, we got one. That's not bad. Okay, it's the first time running shoe pals. We actually got one. Nice. Oh. Let's go. Wrath got us one on Foot Locker. Hey, let's go. We got two on Foot Locker. Let's go. We got one. We got to check out on Kylan. Got 3 cards. One checkout, 1 decline. Wrath got us 2 checkouts immediately. That's awesome. Let's go. We got another card on Kylan. Come on, let's get checkouts. Let's go. Another one on Kylan. Yes, sir. Foot action. Nice. 2 on Kylan. 2 on Wrath. So Alright guys, so we ended up with 18 checkouts on Wrath, 2 checkouts on Kylan for Footsize. A total of 20. Got around 9 cancels on Footsize, which is very disheartening. I only ran man sizes. GS sizes I tried to run for some of the ACOs, but I wasn't able to have any success. Nevertheless, I got 1 on Shoe Palace, and then I got 1 GS and undefeated. Overall, not a bad day. I think this is a great way for us to prepare for foot sites. I think there's still a lot of different things I need to handle, especially with AYCDs, auto solves. I don't know what happened, but I was having a lot of trouble actually solving those recaptures, and a lot of my tasks were stuck on getting recaptures. So definitely need to figure that out. And then the worst thing that actually made my heart sunk again is the fact that I got another goose egg on Nike. I don't know what happened. With the bot I was running, there is some differences that I needed to make, some adjustments I needed to make to see if I can hit more. And I've been talking with several people that hit a lot, especially people who hit yesterday during the Travis drops. Want to talk to them about it, see how everything works out, and hopefully we'll be able to figure it out, and we'll go from there. Now let's move on to the unboxing. You see in the back we got a ton of shoes to unbox. We're gonna show you all the shoes that came in. I already sold some pairs. I sold some of the dark glows locally, so because they're bricks, so I try to move them a little bit faster, and I was able to generate some decent profit off of it. And then yeah, hopefully show you that. And the Travis has actually got shipped, so it hasn't showed up yet, so we weren't able to show you that. I am so excited to actually open up for you guys. But yeah, let's move on to the unboxings. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got a ton of Yeezys that came in from Easy Day, so I want to show you each of one of them, and also we got a few shoes to show you guys as well. So we're going to start off with the most recent drop. This is the Jordan 1 Pollens. The black and yellow colorway. It does not look it, but honestly, the material of these actually is on par with the UNC Jordan 1s that released earlier this year. This is the GS size that I was able to cop on Foot Locker, and I think these will go up, the pricing, just because this is a very unique colorway, and the material of it is actually really, really nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. The leather is actually really comfy. It's a really nice, soft, tumble leather. This is an overall pretty good looking shoe. I think these will eventually go up in price for resale, but this is just my opinion. All right, so this is the multi-camo Dunk Low that came in. I gotta say, like, Nike has been just completely destroying the dunk market. Last year, when the dunk was all the rage, now they're just releasing so many different colorways without even thinking about the consequences at this point. And this one, honestly, is just really, really subpar. The material is really rigid, not very comfy, and I mean, it looks nice to be honest, but I don't know if these will. It still will fetch me decent profit, but I just don't like what they're doing with the dunk market at the moment. It's just completely saturating this entire silhouette at this point. So let's start with the Yeezys. So we're gonna start off with, this is actually an initial drop. This is the Yeezy Foam Runner MX Creams, I believe that's what they call it. All right, so basically they married the two colorways they released earlier this year, the Sand, and I don't remember what the other one was called. But I think that's just all it is. It's still another better looking Croc. I think these will fetch great profit because these are only $90 after tax and shipping. So I think these are going for around like $260 at least. And yeah, there it is. Next, we have the 500 Utility Blacks. I didn't really go really hard at these. I only went for the base sizes, so nothing much to it. It's just a really comfy dad shoe that a lot of girls really like, especially in Asia. So yeah, there it is. Now this is a colorway that I've never touched. This is actually reflective cloud white. I got, I think, 5 pairs of these. I'm really surprised I was able to cop these, and these just look absolutely gorgeous, especially in the dark with the flashlight on. Absolutely beautiful shoe, and I am so happy I was able to cop some of these. All right, this is the creme de la creme of Yeezys. This is arguably one of the most recognizable Yeezys in the world right now, the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners. These are just gorgeous. I gotta say, I have one pair on my own, my girl has one as well, and I love these. I think these will never go out in style, so you can always match so many different outfits with these. Just really good looking shoe, really comfortable as well. So I love these, and I'm so happy I was able to cop these. This is the Yeezy 350 Synth. I was only able to cop one of these, and this is my first time looking at it, and it is gorgeous. I only have a size 4, but this is absolutely beautiful. Like, this is the reflective pair. I didn't even shine it on the flashlight here, and just looking at the shoes by itself under regular light, it is beautiful. It's got like a little hue of pink in it. I love this shoe. I think the colorway is awesome. Wow, yeah, I'm speechless. I can't believe I actually was able to cop one. And I should have copped more, but that was during the earlier days of the Easy Day, and I was not performing well during the early part of the day. But so we made up for it by copying 39 pairs of these Easy 350 static black reflectives. I can't imagine touching one pair of reflectives, let alone 39 pairs, and they are gorgeous under the flashlight. And yeah, I know the price of these are tanking a little bit, but I think these will be the lowest it will ever go. Eventually it will still bounce back. These are just amazing. This is the Easy 350 breads. This was the last drop of the day, and I think towards the end I was getting zip code banned, especially on Wrath, but Ganesh came through for me. I was able to cop 2 pairs, just 2 though, but I only went for base sizes as well, especially because it recently dropped back in November last year. And yeah, nothing much to it. Classic colorway, also very gorgeous. Lastly, we have the Easy 700 V3 Glows. This is, like I advertised, the exact same replica of the Easy 700 V3 Elvis, but the only difference is I actually tried it out. I shined this, I put this under the sunlight for about like 12 hours, and at night it actually glowed, and it was around like a neon green colorway instead of like kind of a blue hueish colorway, which is pretty amazing. But Easy just dropped so many pairs of these, it just tanked the market so bad. I actually like these, but I actually sold most of it to my local buyer just because the market was not really well. I could not make money at all if I would just sell this on a platform like StockX or Go. Alright, so that's all the shoes we have to show you in terms of unboxing, but I do have a huge announcement to make as well. I am actually having a Shock Restock of Essential by Syed memberships on my channel. You will actually find the information in my video description below. There will be a link that will lead you to a raffle, and you will have to input your information, also your credit card information. And don't worry, if you don't win, you will not be charged, and if you do win, you will actually be charged for a monthly membership. I just want to reiterate some of the great benefits you will have by joining Essentials. We have Rack weekly group buys, Noble AIO monthly group buys, Linear AIO monthly group buys, some amazing private proxy group buys such as Lemon Proxies, Live Proxies, Scarlet Proxies, and so many other more that you will not want to miss. We have so many resources to help you, try to help you get better at botting, and you will have a chance to get some of these top tier bots, top tier proxy providers. Hopefully you guys will check out the raffle, and if you guys are lucky enough to join Essentials through this method, definitely drop a hello, drop a DM to me once you get into the group. I would love to say hi to you guys as well. Alright, so that's all we have for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys do like this week's video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you have not done so yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for us, alright? Thank you all so much for watching. We're still aiming for that 5,000 subscriber goal at the end of this year, and we'll only accomplish that with your help. So thank you all so much for your continued support. In the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.